Trace the letter F. Connect the dot and the star with a line. Excellent! Now write the letter F yourself. You rock! The word guitar begins with the letter G. Trace the letter G. Connect the dot and the star with a line. Okay, one more time. Excellent! Now write the letter G yourself. Excellent! The word hippo begins with the letter H. Trace the letter H. Connect the dot and the star with a line. Excellent! Now write the letter H yourself. You rock!
Spaghetti. Wait, let's go and do something else this time.
Okay.
The word igloo begins with the letter I.
The word jellyfish begins with the letter J. Trace the letter J. Connect the dot and the star with a line. Nice. Now, write the letter J yourself.
You hit this button right here to go to something.